Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be detailing my engine bay with only simple green, a brush, and some microfiber towels. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so here is the finishing product on it. Obviously, I'm still a new YouTuber and I forget to take before videos, but I obviously didn't hit everything, but it looks a heck of a lot better than it did to begin with, enough to make me happy. This is usually enough to, have it at least look good when I'm drag racing. Obviously not every single part I touched, but it looks good enough to show that it's all shined up and good enough like that, and I approve of it. So yeah, there's that. Just a little bit, just makes it show that you obviously take pride and care about your car, and I think this honestly looks amazing for the first time using simple green. The only thing I don't like is it dried out that, so I have something I can put on that real quick and make it actually look good again. So I'll do that, and then we'll have an outro. Alrighty, now that looks a little better. Obviously, it's still wet and oily, but it's better than looking dry, so. Alright guys, so that about wraps it up for the engine bay on this car. Obviously, it's a little shorter, one of my videos, but there's not really much to detailing an engine bay that I usually go into detail with. Usually what I do, just shines it up, makes it look noticeable that it's clean, but not to the extent where I fine pick every single part of it. But, I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm a little under the weather, so if you can hear that in my voice, I apologize. Also, I did change my hoodie. I had to come back out and re-record the final overview because the GoPro decided to go out on me again, so I am 1 for 3 on GoPro videos. I really need to change that. Give me a suggestion in the comments of what little camera like a GoPro or a Insta360 or something like that I should look at investing, so I'm not only using my phone. I appreciate you guys for watching. If you made it this far, please leave a comment, give me a like, and please subscribe. I'm only going to make this car faster and only going to keep getting better content with this car. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I will see you guys Tuesday with another video. New upload schedule, if I haven't said it already, is going to be Tuesday, Thursday, and a possible Saturday video from here till the end of time. I'm pretty sure that's doable. So I appreciate you guys for watching everything I do and commenting and all that. It really means the world to me, and I'm excited to make this channel grow. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.